Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to center a shape in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Then go to the Insert menu. Select the Shape drop down menu. We can see here many shape. Now I am select two shape. Select the shape, then draw the shape. Then move the shape anywhere, then select the shape drop down menu again and select another shape. Now I am select the octagon, then draw the shape. Now we want to align center to this shape. At first select a shape, then press and hold the shift on our keyboard and select this multiple shape. Go to the shape format menu, choose alignment drop down menu, click center. You can align middle. Now we can see we align center shape very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.